One of Donald Trump's remaining members of his legal team is also in a little bit of a legal problem. Obviously, not as severe as his client, but nonetheless, he's getting sued. According to a report in the New York Law Journal, Todd Blanche, formerly of the law firm Cadwalader, Wickersham, and Taft, I don't know why I say it like that, are being sued for malpractice. So the details of the suit are both hilarious and might explain why Blanche decided to work with Donald Trump, to work for Trump. Okay, so again, there's some twists and turns here. So Blanche is being sued by twin brothers, who got into finance. Okay, already fun. These brothers are Adam and Daniel Kaplan, and they allege that Blanche and Cadwalader had forged their signatures on a retainer agreement and severely overbilled them while they were the subject of a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission probe. So now, obviously, you're going to retain legal counsel, you know, if you've done something wrong, basically. If you're, charged with a crime or indicted or things like that, or under investigation, yeah, you're going to lawyer up. So these guys apparently lawyered up and hired this law firm and had a bad experience. 0 stars. Do not recommend. Bad Yelp review. No, actually worse. Now, the two brothers themselves, though, were sued by the SEC in March. So this is that case. And they were charged with inflating fees. According to the SEC complaint, the brothers allegedly inflated the fees they charged clients and assessed a higher fee than the agreed amount, netting them a total of just over $500,000, nearly over $500,000. So now they're also accused of misappropriating client funds to cover their lavish lifestyle, including jewelry, apparel, hotel stays, and reimbursing clients who complained about their misconduct in quote-unquote Ponzi-like payments. Okay. There you go. The misappropriated funds actually totaled at least $4.5 million and were obtained through account transfers using payment processing applications like PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle. The Kaplans had overseen a group of 277 clients, including friends, relatives, and unsophisticated investors. So now, the SEC's lawsuit comes after the Kaplans were terminated by IHT Wealth Management for overbilling clients. Their Merrill Lynch terminations 3 years earlier were also due to client login credentials to access client accounts. That's what they were using. So, I mean, a little bit of a history of alleged fraud here. Again, overbilling without their knowledge, breaking contract, things like that. So how ironic would it be then if Blanche and Cadwalader had done the same thing to these twins that these twins are accused to have been doing to other people? I mean, it's just wow. Again, the case hasn't been adjudicated yet, so nobody's been found guilty. These are just lawsuits, or I'm sorry, not guilty. This isn't a criminal trial. It's liable. Okay. We're gonna have to see what happens on that. We don't know if the twins actually stole the money or not. Or I guess overcharging people. But basically, the entire situation here seems to be like a mess. Okay. Now, the Kaplan brothers, also in their lawsuit, allege that their former attorneys are refusing to turn over the case file that they have that is ongoing to their new lawyers. So somehow, the fact that Donald Trump's lawyer is now being accused of forgery and overbilling, it's kind of fitting, really. Remember, the thing, the big problem with Trump and keeping legal representation is the fact that he never seems to pay them. Okay, that's one of the reasons he cannot find anyone credible to represent him, they all know his history. They all know that he loves to stiff his lawyers, and you know, not the good way either.
Sexual anarchy.
And that you're not getting paid for work you've done. Not a good thing. I mean, Rudy Giuliani, I hear he is still waiting for his money. He's going to be waiting for some time now. I don't know. Look, maybe, and again, this is all weirdo, fun speculation, and, you know, hyperbole, whatever. But maybe these guys thought, oh, man, Donald Trump is such a moron. Maybe we can pull a fast one on him, too. I mean, there's a good chance that we're probably not going to get paid anyway. So why don't we just maybe forge signatures and then get our money that way? Again, that's exactly what they're accused to have been doing previously. So, again, speculation, all allegations, we don't know. But it is absolutely hilarious and goes back to my statement that I made, again, when I spoke about his legal team essentially falling apart. What are you left with? When you're Donald Trump, no reputable lawyer, no credible lawyer wants to, work for you. So you're stuck hiring clown lawyers. You know, you have no other options. And just like this entire documents case, by the way, and this is the final irony, okay? His problems completely Trump made. Hey, he built that.